Hi everyone, today we are going to show you another awesome and very simple shifty tip. Keeping a cutting board clean is not necessarily a dirty job. We suggest you a truly natural solution without any chemicals. You just need lemon and salt. Pour some salt over the cutting board, fine or rough. And begin to scrub the surface with the lemon cut into half. When you say it is clean enough, just wash it with clear water and wipe it with a dry kitchen cloth.
That's the shifty way. If you like this video, you might be interested in some other stuff. Click to watch these awesome tips as well. If you don't want to miss our new videos on every Thursday, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.